everyone, this is Kamal Gori and once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Garden and the Life Hacks. Today I am going to share some wonderful and amazing life hacks with you. Hack number 1 is very useful. Whenever we go outside and we have to bring water bottle in our handbag, then it falls down like this. And the handbag gets wet and moist due to the water leaking from the bottle. But I have a wonderful solution for this problem. Here I have taken a safety pin. And one more thing we will need, this is hair pony. Insert the safety pin into the hairband or hair pony, and we will attach this hair pony or hairband with the help of safety pin in our handbag. In the meanwhile, if you are new on my channel and didn't subscribe the channel, then do subscribe the channel and also hit the bell icon so that you can receive the notification of my new and upcoming videos. And now I have done. And now we will keep the water bottle passing through the hair pony or hairband as shown in the video. It will not fall down now because it is fixed due to the hairband or hair pony. Now you can close the zip. And now whenever you will open the zip of your handbag, you will notice the water bottle is fixed in the hairband or hair pony. It will not fall down. I hope you will like this hack. Let's move to the hack number 2. Usually we keep safety pins in any box or in any drawer as it is. And when we need the safety pins, we find difficulty too much. But wait, I am going to share a wonderful solution for this problem. Here I have taken some safety pins. And here I have taken a bangle. And now I am going to organize all these safety pins in this bangle. You have to do the same as shown in the video. It's very useful hack. When you will organize all your safety pins in a bangle, then you can easily find them when you need. I hope you will like this idea. If you are enjoying the video, then leave a beautiful comment to encourage me. Let's move to the hack number 3. Hack number 3 is also very interesting and useful. Here I have taken some keys. And here is a safety pin in my hand. You can use the safety pin as a key ring. Open the safety pin and then insert all your keys. And then close this safety pin. And now it has become a DIY key ring for your keys. You can hang this key ring in your almirah. And whenever you have to go outside and you have to bring these keys with you, then you can easily attach these keys in your handbag with the help of the safety pin. You can see, it's very convenient. Open the safety pin and attach it with your bag. Now you can see it looks like this. And it's very easy, it's very convenient to find them. When you have to take out the keys from your bag, then you will not have to find difficulty to find them. You can easily get them because it's in front of you. I hope you will like this hack also. Let's move to the hack number 4, which is also very useful and attractive. Here is one more safety pin in my hand and I am going to organize all my electricity bills in it. You can also use the safety pin to organize all your necessary documents or electricity bills, etc. If you are enjoying the video, then leave a beautiful comment to encourage me and also let me know your good name and from which country you are watching my channel so that I can send you the special greetings in my next video. Alright viewers, thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with more wonderful hacks and ideas. Till then, bye bye.